Alrighty, here we are at 628 Harter Drive. This one's a complete remodel, done by me primarily. It's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath and a single car garage. Pretty much everything has been replaced. It's got brand new roof trusses, new roof. It's been repainted in and out. Bunch of updates, egress windows, new bathrooms up and down. New sheeting, new painting, trim, flooring. Pretty much everything has been replaced on it. You're in a great neighbourhood on the west side, just off Canyon Lake. This is what they call Harter Drive. So if you know where Bacon Park is, it's just not far from Bacon Park. I'll just do around the neighbourhood. Beautiful neighbourhood, nice log cabin next door. It's not really a cabin, it's quite a large house. It's a dead-end street, so it's a good neighbourhood. You're not going to have much through traffic through here. The house across the street was renovated in the last 12-18 months, and most of the homes in the neighbourhood have been updated or in the process of being updated. So this one, as I said, we've done a lot of work on it. Brand new driveways, sidewalks, egress window, as you can see from the outside, it's been painted. There's still a few things to be done on it. We haven't done the front porch. So there will be a 5x6 front porch on it, so you can actually get into the house. Unless you've got really long legs, then it's a bit of a problem getting up in there at the moment. So we'll take you through and give you a look inside. So exterior is all painted. All the gables are diamond coat siding. New fascias, new soffit. The garage will look the same as the house. It hasn't been done yet, and the garage door will be painted to match the rest of the house. So you come in through a single step into the house, and then up 3 stairs to the upstairs area. Oak kitchen in great condition. New flooring, as you can see, all the way through. So it's a walk-through kitchen area. Plenty of bench space, plenty of cupboards. Gas range, refrigerator. There is space there to put some additional cupboards in if you wanted to put a microwave or a range above your stove. Plenty of room there. You come into a nice large living room. All new blinds in the house. As you can see, it's all been repainted. All new trim. So here we are in the living room, just off the kitchen. And then you come across, this is the front door. It's a nice wet walk-in area if you've got guests coming in with muddy feet. As you can see, the step's a bit large at the moment, but we will have a porch on that. You come across, you have a guest bathroom, which is just a what we call a half bath, vanity and toilet area. It's a coat closet area just here. And then on the main floor, we have the master suite. Good sized master suite. Plenty of space, big enough for a king size bed. And you come across into a walk-in closet, pocket doors into the closet area and bathroom area. Still have to put up some shelving and rails in here. And then you come across with another pocket door into your master suite. And again, vanity, walk-in shower, toilet, good quality laminate flooring in the bathroom and the kitchen area. And then we come back around and then we'll take you downstairs into the basement. Now in the basement we have another living area, nice large laundry area, 2 bedrooms, one with egress, one without, and there's a small computer nook area. So plenty of space for a young family. As you can see, all brand new flooring all the way through. This one's had a lot of updates with painting and sheetrocking. Lots of daylight down here, which is great. So that's the living area. Then you come across into the laundry area, which is a bit of a mess at the moment. Enough room for a washer and dryer. It is high enough for a stacker. Hot water service. There is a floor drain in here, which is awesome. And then you come across into one of the bedrooms, egress window, Nice big closet area. And we come back around and you come into, this is the little computer nook area that I talked about. So there's enough room there for a counter to be put in, especially if you've got a young family. Set up a nice little computer area here. Come down across into a full bathroom in here with a tub, all new showers, all new shower, toilet, vanities all the way through. And then you come across into the third bedroom. This one doesn't have an egress, but it is a large window, so there is an exit point. You would be able to get out through that window if you needed to. It's not a traditional tiny little basement window. It is big enough that you could technically call it egress, but I wouldn't. And then you're back out into the second living area. As I said, all the way through, new carpet, new gas lines. There are new sewer lines right through the house, from the street to the house. New water lines all the way through from the street to the house. New hard paved areas, painted all the way through, all new doors, all new trim. We haven't got a list price on it yet, but we're estimating somewhere between $310 and $325. And that's 628 Harter Drive. Oh, I'll take you out the back as well. You'll have to excuse all the construction material out here. Does primarily have a fenced backyard, privacy fence on this side between the neighbours. Wire mesh fence at the back, and the lilacs are looking a bit sad at the moment, but they'll green up shortly, and they pretty much cover that whole back area there. Good size single car garage, good roof height, plenty of storage in there in the roof as well. There you go.